Understanding scatter plots in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of data visualization by exploring what a scatter plot is and how it's used. If you're curious about how graphs can tell stories with numbers, then you're in the right place. A scatter plot is a type of graph that shows the relationship between two different variables. It displays points on a horizontal and vertical axis, showing how much one variable is affected by another. The pattern of the points can often tell us if there's a correlation or connection between the two variables. Every scatter plot has several key elements. Horizontal axis, x-axis. This axis usually represents the independent variable. Vertical axis, y-axis. This axis typically represents the dependent variable. Data points. Each point on the graph represents a pair of values from the two variables. Scale. Both axes have a scale, which shows the range of values for each variable. Interpreting scatter plots involves looking for trends such as positive correlation. As one variable increases, the other variable also increases. Negative correlation. As one variable increases, the other variable decreases. No correlation. There is no apparent relationship between the variables. Scatter plots are incredibly useful in various fields such as statistics, to find correlations between variables; business, to see the relationship between sales and advertising; healthcare, to analyze the connection between a drug's dosage and its effectiveness. Thank you for watching. We hope this video shed light on scatter plots and how they help us understand the relationship between data. Keep practicing, and you'll be interpreting these plots like a pro in no time.